Hey, what's going on? This is Tam with Bachata Library, and today we're going to be analyzing another song. This one is called El Perdedor. Let me explain how this framework works, and then we'll listen to the song and see how it all applies. Bachata songs go, as you know, in 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after 4 bars of 8 counts goes through, usually the last 4 counts of that 4th bar has something different, has a little bit of magic, has a little bit of something sprinkled, something really cool sprinkled to that last 4 counts before starting the next 4 bars of 8. Okay, so it usually goes in a square. And sometimes songs like to change the rhythm, meaning that after they finish that 4th bar of 8, they go into a rhythm change. So they can go 1, 2, 3, and 4 before starting again on that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, on that first bar of 8. So what does that mean for you? Basically, when you're dancing bachata, just know that on that 4th bar, on that last 4 count of the 4th bar, something's gonna happen. And that's up to you as the lead and the follow to hear that in the music and style appropriately, or go into the position where you can know how to best express that musicality, okay? And then I want you to know this rhythm change because if you continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll be off because it will actually be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's off for your bachata. Then you have to do a step tap to get back onto the same rhythm. But you can just do a step tap on the rhythm change before getting back onto the first bar of 8, or you can pause on that rhythm change. I want you to hear this song and especially hear the last 4 notes of this 4/8 count. And then I'll point it out when we have a rhythm change, okay? This might be a lot, especially if you're new to bachata, but if you just want to enjoy the show, enjoy a fun song, enjoy me dancing to myself, feel free. This is Aventura in 2006, baby. 2006. I think I was like 10 years old. I was 11 years old at that time. I know, I look young. I am young. All right, let's go. First bar of 8. Second bar. Esa canción muy bonita, ¿no? Hey. 4th bar. Nice. See that transition? Did you hear that? Third bar. Are you keeping track? 4th bar. Hear this part. Eso. That wasn't as obvious that time? Something always happens right here. Right here. A1. Always that last 4 counts of the 4th bar. What bar are we on? You know it. 4th bar. Get ready. A. We're on that 4th bar now of the 4 bars right now. Oh, 8 counts. Nice. You ready for this? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Do you see that? After that bars have been completed, now that rhythm has changed. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes back into that first count of the first bar. So if you were to keep going, you would just be here. You would be at 8. You'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your count is all wrong. Your steps are all wrong at this point. So we want to make sure in this rhythm change, we understand it, we can identify it, and then we can do something about it. We can pause. We can make a move a bit slower so that you can account for this extra 4 counts over here before starting back on your 1. This is really, really important, and it makes your musicality so much better when someone can identify when the breaks of the song are and when the rhythm changes, okay? So now we're going to continue the song. We're going to go back on that first count of 8. Let's go. That 4th count, that last 4 counts of that 4th bar, there was a little ding, and that's your chance to do something with that, right? Head roll, ding, you know, like there's a lot of different things you can do in that moment, but just know as a lead and follow, you gotta always be counting and thinking about this music. It become more natural as you listen to more and more bachata music. But this is Musicality 101. Okay, let's continue. Hey, nice. You getting the hang of it now? It's coming. What are you gonna do about it, leads? Hey, position, chest, isolation. One of the many things you can do in that situation. I love this song. Shoulders. Hey. Nice. We just finished. Next four counts or 4 bars. It repeats. One, two, three, and four, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth bar. All right. So that was one example of many songs that follow this traditional song structure. Not every song does this rhythm change. Some rhythm changes go a full 8 count before going back into the 4 count, which sounds kind of strange. Some just even do 1, 2, and then goes back into the first count, first bar of 8. So it depends on the song, but generally speaking, there are rhythm changes, and we want to make sure that we account for them as we're dancing bachata, so that we can make sure we're always on the same step, or the right step and the right time for the right rhythm out of the song. Okay?